Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Soleil, and this is a surgery day. Hi Soleil, how did you...
Hi! I'm so nervous, but at the same time, I am very excited.
And I want you to be excited. Today is Soleil's first procedure, and she is here for a regular procedure. We're going to go ahead and do both the frontal and both of her sides. Tell us about your hair loss. How did you notice your hair loss?
I started having my hair loss a few years ago, especially when I had my son, year 2000, around that time, due to the stress. Also because I used to have a lot of braids and sew-ins and stuff like that, so I started noticing my hair, losing my hair. At the same time, I went to multiple places to see if I can get my hair, back to be full and, and normal. But they say, no, you don't qualify because you don't have a lot of hair, whatever the case must be. But I never, I was losing hope. I went to YouTube and I was looking through and I saw another lady that came to this place. And she was saying that she came over here. She fly from someplace else, I don't remember from where. But however, she came over here, and that's how I end up in this clinic. That I'm very happy and I'm very excited that I'm finally is going to be able to grow some hair and have my natural hair, And I'm very happy to be here today.
So Soleil, we are so happy that you're here with us today. Look forward to moving a lot of hair with you, and we'll continue to follow your progress throughout the day. And the most important thing is you're relaxed, you're excited to be here, and we'll check in with you in just a few minutes.
Yes, I'm very excited. This is a new beginning for me, ladies.
Awesome. So here I am with Soleil. Soleil, how was your day?
It was wonderful, wonderful. Doctor, I have to say that you have an amazing staff. You are amazing too. And I feel very comfortable. Don't get scared because you guys are looking to me like this. But I'm feeling so relaxed. Me, personally, I didn't feel no pain. So I'm very good. I'm very good, doctor. You have angel hands.
And what makes me happy is we were able to get the entire area that you were asking. It was a very large area, but we went for that extra hair, and we are expecting amazing results. We look forward to following you. We'll keep in touch. You'll come in tomorrow for a recheck. We'll take the sutures out in 2 weeks, and then we'll continue open door policy here. Come in whenever you want, and then we'll see you at 4 months, 9 months, and 1 year. We look forward to your progress, and thank you for sharing your experience with people who are interested.
Thank you, doctor. And I have to say, ladies, gentlemen, don't think twice. You are spending more money on wigs and buying hair, so just go ahead and do it. It's worth it. You will feel much better. And they haven't paid me for this. This is coming from the bottom of my heart. So let's do it.
Thank you, Soleil. And anybody out there interested in a hair transplant, please call us here at Natural Transplants.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.